Alright, so I'm going to put some lateral tension on this dent. It's going to help to just stretch that thing back out, open that up. We know from that direct impact down here that the panel's under a lot of compression this way. Just by putting a little bit of tension on it, spreading that out, it's going to mean the center of this, when we come in and work the center, is going to move a lot easier, a lot cleaner, take a lot less effort and a lot less risk to adding additional stretch or damage into that panel. So throw just a little bit of lateral tension on there and it's going to free things up to move really nicely. Straight away it's already started to pull that nice and straight. A little bit of work in the center in that impact point down here. And that's the bulk movement on that one, pretty well sorted. A little crease in the bottom here, it's just a little bit tight, a little bit pinched. I'm going to drop the mould off and make sure there's no creases, no crowns under there that are holding that damage in place. From there, just a couple of quick pulls in here. Bit of knockdown work on that intrusion bar ridge. It should be good to go.